Press the power switch once to turn on your Cura. To turn the dryer off, press the power switch once again. To alternate between high and low speed settings, press the speed switch once. To change the temperature, press the up or down arrow on the heat switch to reach your desired heat setting. Align the concentrator with the front of your Cura and snap into place. To remove the concentrator, pull the nozzle downward to release. Use the wider drying concentrator to dry the hair evenly with a wide volume of air. Use the narrower styling concentrator to style one section at a time with concentrated airflow. To activate the Cool Shot, press and release the lock-in Cool Shot button once. If you're unsure if the Cool Shot is on, simply check the air temperature with your hand before styling. To deactivate the Cool Shot, press the button again. Twist the Pure Stream cap counterclockwise to release it. Once you're done cleaning it, align the cap with the slots in the back of the dryer and twist clockwise until it clicks into place. To clean the filter, use a soft cloth or small brush to remove dust and lint that may have accumulated on the metal mesh. You can also use your fingers to gently clean the filter.
Dyson Supersonic hairdryer is engineered so that you can adjust the heat and airflow for different hair types to protect against extreme heat damage. For thin, fine hair, or short hair, use low air and low heat. For medium density or textured hair, switch to medium air and medium heat. For thicker coarse hair, use high air and high heat for better results. For very damaged or colored hair, use low heat and adjust the airflow based on the density of the hair. When using a diffuser, adjust the heat to match the density or damage level. For highly textured hair or hair you're trying to manipulate, use high heat and adjust the airflow based on the hair's density. And with all of these hair types, don't forget to use the Cold Shot button to really lock in that style and shine.